Hey guys, welcome again to my channel. And just in case you're new, my name is Miss Wiro. And guys, today we are doing fridge organization and also we are going to meal prep. So I hope you'll sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up. And we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling. Just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this. Today I know I'm going to stand for long, and so I decided to get these soft sandals. These will protect my heel from paining because they're soft. So at least if you stand on them, somehow you feel some comfort. And also it's too cold in Kenya, and these will somehow keep my feet warm. Now the work has begun. I'll go ahead and remove all my produce so that I can get to see what I'm working with today. I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you, everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on. There are still more items that I'm yet to receive, but right now I'll just go ahead and begin with the ones that I'm having here. I don't want my milk to go bad, and so that's what I'll begin with. I'm going to boil my ATM milk, and then after that I'm going to also store my long life milk. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Next, I want to go ahead and cook my trotters or cow feet. I want to begin cooking these early so that by the time I'll be continuing with my work inside the house, it will be slowly cooking outside. And I think this should take around 5 to 6 hours to cook softly. Yeah, so that one we'll get back to later. But right now, let me just set it to cook so that we can continue with our fridge organization. If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up. And we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling. Just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you, everything's complete. These are the only ingredients I'm adding in today, but you can also add something like Rico cubes,
paprika and all those seasoning cubes of your choice. But for me today, I'm not using that. Also, you can just decide to boil it and then later fry it, just the same way you can fry any other food. But mine, I just want to put this way once because I need the soup more and I don't want it fried.
If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
My milk has also fully boiled, and so I'll just go ahead and take this one outside so that it can cool. By the time I'll begin arranging my fridge, this will be cooled and it will be among the first to go into the fridge.
This moment, can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
And now it's time to clean the fridge. I'm going to clean both sides, both the freezer side and the fridge side. The fridge side is the other side, and then this side is the freezer. So I'm going to remove everything from the freezer and then I clean that first and return them because I have some meal prepped food that I prepped, I think, a week ago. And then after that, I'll move now to the side of the fridge because that's where there's too much work.
If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep,
I'm done with the freezer. I'm going to come back here when I'm putting my meal prepped food because I'm going to meal prep also. And then also I'll come back when I'm going to maybe to store my fish. I've left them outside so that they can defrost a bit. My fish and my wings, I'll come back and arrange them later. But right now I'm going to the fridge because this is where there's too much work.
call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
These are all the containers I'm planning to use today, and so I'm arranging them outside so that I get to know what goes where, and that I know will make work easy for me.
Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon, side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
It's now time to clean my veggies, and I normally use vinegar. As you can see, this is vinegar. I normally use vinegar. I also use bio veggie wash, and also I use baking soda. Somehow I like interchanging them, and so I'm going to use all that in today's video.
You and I can weather any storm. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
For chilies, I'm going to remove the stalk. That way they'll stay longer.
This moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I.
I'm draping the containers with this paper towel. That way the paper towel will absorb any excess moisture that is always formed when you put items in the fridge.
You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out and be on your own. But no matter what comes your way, I will stay right here beside
This time I'm using bio veggie wash. This one I got from Carrefour. I normally repeat this. I normally tell you this, guys, because some of you think I use normal soap and they get so much surprised. I'm using bio veggie wash. This one I got from Carrefour, and this one is mainly used to wash vegetables. It's only 500 bob, and this bottle can take you a long way. This can take you even for a whole year before you finish it.
deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you.
Here I'm using baking soda to wash my fruits, but I can as well use bio veggie wash or vinegar to do the same.
months is under your bed. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out and be on your own. But no matter what comes your way, I will stay right here beside you to catch you if you fall. And deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you.
These ones are my fermented milk, and I don't want to store them in these sachets, so I'm going to use these nice bottles to store them.
Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you.
I also have some sugarcane that I came with from the village. I went to the village and stayed there for some time. So I came back with these ones, and I'm going to give some out, but some I'm going to store this way so that it's easy for me to just pick and eat. I also don't want them to spoil quickly, that's why I have to store them this way.
I wake up from
It's now time to make my juice of the day, and today I'm making some pineapple, orange, lemon, and ginger juice. This is always my favorite, and I'm going to use a juicer for this.
to last night. Can someone make this headache go away? Yesterday was supposed to be quiet. Being to myself and sit in silence.
This is a ribbon juicer, and just in case you need to know where I got it from Glahpe suppliers. If you're not new here, I know you know.
Go out for a while. We were dancing in the dark with a view.
I'm also going to juice my citrus fruits, but I'm going to use a citrus juicer because if you do that in the same juicer, the other juicer, sometimes it juices even the seeds, and these ones are not seedless, so you'll end up with a bitter juice. So I'll advise when you're getting a juicer, kindly try and get the citrus juicer also. I'll mix it all together and then pack.
Every morning after feels the same. I know I only have myself to blame for drinking way too much. I guess I got caught up. Can someone make this headache go away?
My meat is still cooking outside, and as you can see, I'm loving the aroma, and you can see how it's turning out. Yeah, and right now I'm not yet done with the fridge, but I'll go ahead and wipe down this trolley so that I can arrange some of the veggies that I don't always put in the fridge, so that I can clean up and get enough space to continue with working, so that I'll get to know what is left to go inside the fridge.
With a feeling in our eyes, felt like we had it all. We were dancing in the dark wake up from the sunshine on my face. So dehydrated, don't know what to say. Who's sleeping by my side? What did I do last night? Can someone make this headache go away? Yesterday was supposed to be quiet. Being to myself and sit in silence. Until I got a call, my friend showed up at my door. They wanted me to go out for a while. We were dancing in the dark with a feeling in our eyes. Felt like we had it all. We were dancing in the dark. We were dancing in the dark. Wow, oh, 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 wow, oh, 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 wow, oh, oh, wow, oh, oh, wow, oh, 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 wow, oh, 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 wow, oh, oh, wow, oh, oh. Every morning after feels the same. I know I only have myself to blame for drinking way too much. I guess I got caught up. Can someone make this headache go away? We were dancing in the dark with a feeling in our eyes. Felt like we had it all. We were dancing in the dark. We were dancing in the dark. We were dancing in the dark with a feeling in our eyes. Felt like we had it all. We were dancing in the dark. We were dancing in the dark. Wow, oh, 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 wow, oh, 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 wow, oh, oh, wow, oh, oh, wow, oh, 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 wow, oh, 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 wow, oh, oh, wow, oh, oh.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Be free. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Oh, yeah. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Be free. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Oh yeah. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my
These avocados are fully ripe, and that's why I'm putting them in the fridge. The other ones that were in the trolley are not yet ripe. I'm now done with the major part of the fridge, and as you can see, I have my coffee ready here, and it has even cooled. So I'm going to serve these and then set that in the freezer, and after that we are going to move into meal prepping. I'm using these plastic containers to store my food in the freezer or fridge, but I'll not be using them to warm my food. So if you see these, please don't question me a lot like others do. These ones I only use to store my food in the fridge or in the freezer. I don't use them to warm my food.
Drinking way too much, drinks I can't afford. Annoyed by little things, wanna kick people out the door. Well, so maybe I'll go to hell. Then watch me go. And maybe I'll go to hell.
Time is not on my side, and it's also getting really cold. Yeah, so I'll go ahead and store my wings and also my fish and my gizzard. I'm going to store them in small portions. I got these ones from City Market. There you get them at half price, and when they come from City Market, they're not always packed, so I just got these containers that I always have here, and I'm reusing them. These ones I think came with some cakes from the supermarket, so I kept them, and now as you can see, they're very useful.
Say you burn forever in hell. Will it hurt forever, or will I get used to?
I'm going to store these in the freezer, and I like dividing them into portions like this so that each time I need to cook, it's easy for me to just pick one and cook as I go. This is the last part, and we are continuing with our meal prep. And right now I'm going to make some beef stew, and also I'm going to prep other two things that I'm going to show you after this. So I'm going to make this beef, and this is what I'll be eating with some chapatis and some rice. I'm not going to prep rice or chapatis. I'm only going to prep these, and then I'll show you the rest that I'm going to prep. I've cooked this so many times here, but I'll leave the ingredients on the screen just in case you're new here.
Sorry to my ex, you deserve more. Sorry to my ex-boss, but I'd rather stay poor. Well, so maybe I'll go to hell. Then watch me go. Yeah, maybe I'll go to hell. Then watch me go. I guess you can never tell. You never know if you go to hell. When will these clouds go away? Turn into rain, and when will the stars in my head do good instead? I wanna fly away, fly to a place where all the clouds go away and turn to rain. Drinking way too much, drinks I can't afford. Annoyed by little things, wanna kick people out the door. Well, so maybe I'll go to hell. Then watch me go. Yeah, maybe I'll go to hell. Then watch me go. I guess you can never tell. You never know if you'll go to hell. When will these clouds go away? Turn into rain, and when will the stars in my head do good instead? I wanna fly away, fly to a place where all the clouds go away and turn to rain. You say you burn forever in hell. Will it hurt forever, or will I get used to the pain? You say you burn forever in hell. Will it hurt forever, or will I get used to the pain? When will this cloud?
I'll leave my meat to cook, and as it cooks, I'm going to prepare this butternut. I want to boil this butternut, and this one I'll be using to make the mixture that I'll be using to make my chapatis, if that makes sense. I like making my chapatis with butternut, but sometimes it's a lot of work. Peeling them and boiling them each time I want to cook chapatis makes work so hard. And so I'm going to do all that now and prepare my mixture, and you're going to see how that will turn out. I'm going to boil this, and then I'll blend it out, and then I'm going to put all the ingredients I need, like salt and a little bit of sugar because this is already sugary. And then after that, I'll just pack it. So each time I want to cook my chapatis, I'll just be grabbing one container, I add in some oil, and then add in my flour and knead my dough, and then I cook my chapatis. This is a few minutes later, and my beef stew is ready, and my butternut is also ready. I'll just go ahead and blend it and then pack it like I was saying, and then set that in the freezer.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out.
Lastly, as my stew is still cooling, I'm going to make some cabbage. So first, I think this will take only like 2 minutes. That way, I'll not be taking my chapatis and rice plain with beef. At least I'll be having something to serve on the side. That will be this cabbage, and I don't want to overcook it. I just want to cook it for like 1 minute. I like it crunchy.
All I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you.
This is my last meal. I'll serve it and take it to either fridge or freezer, and then I'll be done. These containers hold a lot of food, and that one container has food that I think even 3 people can eat and get full.
Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you.
I'm done, guys. Thank you so much for watching up to this far. Thank you so much. If you're new again, my name is Miss Wiro, and this is how my fridge turned out. I really love it. Have a good time. See you in my next one. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.